7 Morning Habits to Control Your Diabetes. Did you know that your morning routine could either set you up for stable blood sugar or send it spiraling out of control before you even start your day? Most people don't realize that small morning habits, like what you drink first or when you eat breakfast, can make or break their diabetes management. If you've ever felt exhausted, moody, or like your blood sugar is running wild before noon, your morning routine might be the culprit. But don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think. In this video, we'll reveal 7 simple yet powerful morning habits that can help you take control of your diabetes, feel more energized, and keep your blood sugar in check all day long. Let's get started. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Waking up at the same time every day might seem like a small thing, but for people with diabetes, it can have a big impact. Your body runs on an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm, which affects hormone production, metabolism, and blood sugar regulation. When you wake up at inconsistent times, your body struggles to maintain balance, leading to insulin resistance and blood sugar spikes. Have you ever noticed that after sleeping in on the weekend, you feel sluggish, hungry, and more likely to crave unhealthy foods? That's because an irregular sleep schedule confuses your body, making it harder to regulate blood sugar. Sticking to a consistent wake-up time helps stabilize hormone levels, including cortisol and insulin. When your body knows what to expect each morning, it functions more efficiently, leading to better blood sugar control throughout the day. Research shows that people with irregular sleep schedules have a higher risk of metabolic issues, increased cravings, and poor energy levels. But by waking up at the same time daily, even on weekends, you create a steady rhythm that supports overall health. Another benefit is improved sleep quality. When you maintain a regular schedule, your body releases melatonin at the right time, helping you fall asleep faster and get deeper rest. Poor sleep is directly linked to insulin resistance, meaning even one bad night can make it harder to control blood sugar the next day. But by training your body to wake up at the same time, your sleep patterns improve, reducing the risk of high morning blood sugar levels. To build this habit, set a consistent wake-up time and stick to it, even if you had a late night. If waking up feels difficult, try exposing yourself to natural sunlight first thing in the morning. This signals your body that it's time to be awake and helps regulate your internal clock. You can also do some light stretching or take a short walk after waking up to jumpstart your metabolism. Making this simple change can lead to better energy, improved mood, and more stable blood sugar levels. It's an easy but powerful habit that sets the tone for a healthier day, every day. 2. Test your blood sugar. Checking your blood sugar first thing in the morning is one of the most important habits you can develop to manage diabetes effectively. Your morning blood sugar levels give you a baseline, showing how well your body has regulated glucose overnight and setting the stage for the rest of your day. If you wake up with high blood sugar, it might mean your body released too much glucose while you slept, or your dinner the night before contained too many carbohydrates. On the other hand, if your blood sugar is too low, it could be a sign that your medication, insulin, or nighttime routine needs adjusting. By tracking these patterns, you can make smarter choices about your meals, activity levels, and medications. Testing your blood sugar in the morning helps you take control before problems arise. If you see a high reading, you can plan to eat a lower-carb breakfast, take a walk, or adjust your insulin or medication dosage under your doctor's guidance. If it's low, you'll know to have a balanced meal that includes healthy carbs and protein to stabilize your levels. This simple habit allows you to respond proactively rather than reactively, preventing energy crashes, mood swings, and dangerous blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day. Many people avoid testing because they find it inconvenient or are afraid of the results, but knowledge is power, and understanding your numbers gives you the ability to improve them. If pricking your finger feels uncomfortable, consider using a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, which provides real-time blood sugar readings without the need for constant finger sticks. Keeping a log of your morning readings can also help you and your doctor identify trends over time and make better decisions about your diabetes care plan. To make this habit easier, keep your glucose monitor next to your bed or in a place where you'll see it first thing in the morning. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine, just like brushing your teeth. Over time, this habit becomes second nature, and you'll feel more confident in your ability to manage your diabetes. Small, consistent actions like this add up to big improvements in your health, energy, and overall well-being. 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is one of the best ways to keep your blood sugar stable and give your body the fuel it needs. After a night of fasting, your blood sugar levels can fluctuate, and the first meal of the day plays a huge role in setting the tone for your energy, mood, and metabolism. A well-balanced breakfast helps prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, keeping you feeling full and energized for hours. But not just any breakfast will do. Choosing the right foods is key. A good diabetic-friendly breakfast includes a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. Protein helps slow down digestion, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar, while healthy fats support brain function and keep you full. Fiber-rich carbs, like whole grains and vegetables, provide steady energy without causing blood sugar to surge. Avoid processed or sugary breakfast foods like pastries, white bread, or sweetened cereals, as these can lead to sharp blood sugar spikes followed by an energy crash. So, what should you eat? One great option is a bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts and berries. Oats provide fiber that slows down glucose absorption, while nuts add healthy fats and protein to keep you full. Berries add natural sweetness without spiking blood sugar. Another excellent choice is a vegetable omelet made with eggs, spinach, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of cheese. Eggs provide high-quality protein, while veggies offer essential vitamins and fiber. If you're in a rush, a smoothie made with Greek yogurt, spinach, and a handful of chia seeds can be a great on-the-go option. Greek yogurt provides probiotics and protein, while chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve insulin sensitivity. Making the right breakfast choices doesn't have to be complicated. Try prepping ingredients the night before to save time in the morning. If you're used to sugary breakfasts, start by making small swaps. Replace sugary cereal with oats or trade white bread for whole grain toast with avocado. Over time, these simple habits will make a big difference in your blood sugar control, energy levels, and overall health. The key is to be consistent, listen to your body, and fuel yourself with the nutrients you need to feel your best. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on new ways to manage your blood sugar. And if you have any questions or struggles with your diabetes journey, drop a comment below. We're here to help. 4. Take your medication. Taking your medication as prescribed is one of the most important habits you can develop to keep your diabetes under control. When you take your medication consistently and on time, you help stabilize your blood sugar levels, prevent dangerous spikes and crashes, and reduce the risk of complications. Skipping doses or taking medication irregularly can throw your body off balance, making it harder to manage diabetes effectively. That's why it's crucial to make this a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. One of the best ways to ensure you never miss a dose is to take your medication at the same time every day. Whether it's first thing in the morning, before breakfast, or after a meal, sticking to a schedule helps regulate your blood sugar and makes it easier to remember. If you take insulin or other injectable medications, make sure you follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Some medications work best on an empty stomach, while others should be taken with food. Not taking them correctly can lead to unexpected blood sugar fluctuations. To stay on track, consider setting reminders on your phone, using a pill organizer, or keeping your medication in a visible place like next to your toothbrush or coffee maker. If you travel often, carry a small pill case with you to avoid missing doses. If you ever forget to take your medication, check with your doctor or pharmacist about what to do next. Never double up on a dose without professional guidance. Beyond just taking your medication, it's important to monitor how it's working for you. Pay attention to how you feel throughout the day. Are you experiencing dizziness, fatigue, or unexplained blood sugar highs or lows? Keeping a log of your blood sugar readings and any side effects can help your doctor adjust your treatment plan if needed. Your medication is a tool, but it works best when combined with healthy habits like proper nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management. Diabetes is a long-term condition that requires consistency and discipline. Taking your medication daily might seem like a small step, but over time, it plays a huge role in protecting your overall health. Stay committed to your routine, work closely with your healthcare provider, and make your medication schedule a seamless part of your day. Your future self will thank you. 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits for managing diabetes. Water helps regulate blood sugar by flushing out excess glucose and supporting kidney function. When dehydrated, your body retains more sugar, making diabetes harder to control. That's why starting your day with a glass of water is a smart habit. Drinking enough water also prevents fatigue, dry mouth, and headaches, common issues for diabetics. It helps digestion, boosts metabolism, and reduces unnecessary cravings. Often, what feels like hunger is actually thirst. By drinking water first thing in the morning and staying hydrated throughout the day, you can manage your appetite better and maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for blood sugar control. If drinking enough water is a challenge, try keeping a reusable bottle with you as a reminder. Set small goals, like drinking a glass before meals, and use alarms or apps to track your intake. Adding lemon, cucumber, or mint can make water more enjoyable, but avoid flavored drinks with hidden sugars. Herbal teas and warm lemon water are great alternatives to sugary beverages. Be mindful of caffeine. Too much coffee or tea can have a diuretic effect, leading to dehydration and blood sugar fluctuations. Instead, focus on water-rich foods like cucumbers, celery, and watermelon to boost hydration naturally. The key is consistency. Start your morning with water, drink regularly throughout the day, and listen to your body's signals. Your energy levels, digestion, and blood sugar will all benefit from this simple yet effective habit. 6th, exercise. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for managing diabetes, and starting your day with movement can set the tone for stable blood sugar levels. When you exercise, your muscles use glucose for energy, lowering your blood sugar naturally. Plus, it improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more effectively throughout the day. Even a short 30-minute workout in the morning can make a big difference. If you're not a morning person, don't worry. You don't have to hit the gym at sunrise. A simple walk around the neighborhood, a short bike ride, or even a gentle yoga session can work wonders. Walking after breakfast, for example, can help prevent blood sugar spikes by encouraging your body to use glucose rather than store it. Stretching or yoga can also improve circulation, reduce stress, and promote better insulin function. The key is consistency, so choose an activity you enjoy and can stick with long-term. For those with mobility issues, chair exercises, resistance bands, or light stretching are excellent options. The goal is to get your blood moving and activate your muscles. If you struggle with motivation, try listening to music, an audiobook, or a podcast while you move. You can even turn household chores like gardening or light cleaning into a form of exercise. One of the biggest benefits of morning exercise is the energy boost it provides. Instead of relying on caffeine or sugar for a quick pick-me-up, movement helps wake up your body naturally. Plus, regular activity supports weight management, reduces stress, and improves heart health, all crucial factors for diabetics. The most important thing is to start where you are. If 30 minutes feels overwhelming, begin with 5 to 10 minutes and build from there. Over time, your endurance will improve, and exercise will become a habit that helps you take control of your diabetes and feel better every day. 7. Plan your day. Starting your day with a clear plan can make a huge difference in managing diabetes. When you wake up with a sense of purpose, you're more likely to make healthier choices throughout the day. Planning ahead helps you stay in control of your meals, medication, physical activity, and stress levels, all of which directly impact blood sugar. One of the best ways to do this is by creating a simple to-do list. Writing down your priorities, appointments, and tasks can keep you organized and prevent last-minute decisions that might not be the best for your health. Meal planning is another game changer. Instead of scrambling to find something to eat when hunger strikes, take a few minutes each morning to plan your meals and snacks. This can prevent blood sugar spikes from unbalanced meals or unhealthy food choices. Prepping ingredients in advance, packing healthy snacks, and knowing what you'll eat for lunch and dinner can remove the stress of making quick decisions. Try to include a mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in your meals to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Scheduling time for physical activity is just as important. If you don't plan for it, exercise can easily be pushed aside. Whether it's a morning walk, a yoga session, or stretching breaks throughout the day, setting a specific time for movement can help you stay consistent. Even simple activities like parking farther from the store or taking the stairs can add up. Stress management should also be part of your daily plan. High stress levels can raise blood sugar, so scheduling time for relaxation, deep breathing, or mindfulness can help keep your body balanced. Whether it's a short meditation, journaling, or listening to calming music, taking a few moments to relax can make a big difference. Lastly, don't forget to schedule doctor's appointments, medication reminders, and self-check-ins. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels, medications, and symptoms can help you catch potential issues early. A little planning each morning can set the stage for a smoother, healthier day and keep you in control of your diabetes management. Building a morning routine that supports healthy blood sugar levels doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small, consistent changes, like staying hydrated, eating a balanced breakfast, moving your body, and planning your day, can make a big impact on your overall well-being. These habits aren't just about managing diabetes. They're about feeling your best, staying energized, and taking control of your health one morning at a time. Which of these habits do you already follow? Let us know in the comments. And if you're looking for more ways to support your health, be sure to check out our other videos. We've got plenty of expert-backed tips waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.